be showing you how to locate and replace your turn signal relay. First, you're going to want to take off this Allen key, this one, and this one right here, which it is a T30 bit. So you'll go about taking all those off. And then you'll just pull this off. Okay, so if you look inside behind this right here, you'll see your relay for your turn signals is right here. It's this cylinder box. You'll just reach back there and fish it back out to this opening. And then you'll just find the plug that is along with it, which is this red one right here. And that's your turn signal relay. You'll just push down on the top of this plug and pull back and it'll come out, and then replace it with your new one. You'll put it back up in there, and then if you look right here, there's a little metal prong right about there. It's right here, and that's what the rubber bracket hooks onto for your turn signal relay. And then you'll go about putting back these 3 screws, and then your job is done.